What is up, everyone? Here we got a new video on this package right here that I'm gonna be opening up in just 1 minute. Check this out. Wow, I'm really excited. Can't wait to see what it is. You guys are gonna see what it is right now. All right, we're gonna get this thing open. All right, here we go. Super excited, guys. Feels like Christmas again. Let's see. It's very nicely packed. That's a good thing. Let's get this thing flipped over. It is fragile, Fiberglass, I believe. Okay. Wow. Super mess maker here. Wow. Let's see. This is the plugging cord for the pump. It's this little tiny pump here. Last but not least, woo, guys, look at this. Very neatly wrapped here. Wow, check this out. This is cool, guys. Put this tree here real quick. This thing just goes on there just like this. Kind of snap it on there. Wow, look at this. A mini-me waterfall, guys. Get this thing cleaned up. And on this side, maybe adding some water into it and putting the pump in. Alright, so we're gonna connect this pump right here. This little hose is that. Like that, and then this is where the water gets sucked up in by. There's like a little turbine in there that spins. So we put this in there. Somewhere. Just to fit it good in there. There you go. Just like that. It's in there. Then we're gonna get this here. Plug that in. And then we're gonna put this light on here. The blue cover on it. We'll leave it on there. And this here, we're gonna unwind this. Just like that. Leave that in here. Oh, it's on. I can hear it already. Then we're just gonna put this in here. Something like this, I believe it is. Oh wow, check that out. Super colorful. Just like that. Then we're gonna add some water. Alright, and then just pour it in there. Wow, check that out. That's super cool. God damn, this thing is smoking. Pour some more. Pour some more. She thirsty. This thing takes so much water. Ooh, that looks so cool. Holy moly, guys. So cool, so cool. But she's a thirsty one. Let's see. Can't see where the water is. Okay, here we go. Wow. Don't get away, the water is not coming up though. Water has to be coming out here. That's weird. I don't know why. This thing popped out of here. Come closer. This thing had popped out from right here, that's why. We'll just plug it back in. We'll put some glue on it later. Just gotta demonstrate to you guys how it looks. I think it's a little hard to get it in. You just sort of over the gear a bit, but I think it should be good. Taking a little while there. Here it comes, guys. Check this out. Zoom it in there. Just seeing it right now. Ooh, it's first drop. Here we go. Wow, check that out. Woo, we got a little forest here now. That looks awesome, guys. It's a nice little water sound to it. Here we are. So that is it for today's video and a little demonstration on how that looks. It's awesome, guys. Yep. Mira, ven cómo se mira.
Vente, mi amor, está tu platito, corazón.
¿Cómo se mira?
Bonito. Oh, está bonito.
¿Compras?
¿Así? ¿Así le tienen las luces?
Sí, así es.
¿Son de allí?
Sí, son de allí. ¿Compras?
Me vas a querer dar más caro.
No, no lo vendo. No está de venta.
Corazón, necesito tu platito que compraste, corazón. Venga, subite.
I forgot to tell you guys, here are the instructions, but we never use that anyway. So we don't need that. We got this thing installed in here in the chameleon's cage, and the gecko seems to be loving this. Check this out. I did take off the mister because it was bringing out a lot of water from there. And I didn't want to make a mess in here, so yeah, the gecko seems to be liking it. He's exploring her a little bit around there. This guy's just chilling there. But yeah, like it. So cool, so cool. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.